Alright guys, just want to go over a quick little tip. Find yourself a touchless car wash. I think I got this one here, right near where I live. It's all touchless, so nothing touches your car and doesn't give you swirl marks and scrapes. So I come here every time I need to get my car washed. It's great. I'll definitely also show you guys the outside of the car. I did a little walk around when I first got in, and I'll show you guys what it looks like when I'm all done. Whew. Damn, I'm shaking the whole car like that. Oh shit. Spot for your rinse. Saying move forward, get the air dryers. Watch all the water bead off. Alright guys, and for a touchless car wash is what we're looking at. Honestly, very good job. Yeah, okay. So here, you definitely see where still some dirt. See the line. I mean, not terrible. If you're in a quick rush to clean your car and you don't want so much dirt on it, highly suggest touchless car washes. Doesn't mess up your paint, gets most of the dirt off. I get some turbo noises right here for you guys. Don't look back at your car when you park it, you bought the wrong car. Oh God. Here's my other car, 2007 Honda Accord. Stock pretty much, muffler delete. As you can tell, pretty chopped. Don't drive it anymore, but this is what we're gonna be working on soon. We're getting some coilovers, Raceland for this thing. It's gonna look sweet. Gotta get some wheels. What do you guys think for wheels for this car? Not too many options, but thinking maybe some chromies or like multi-spokes, chrome multi-spoke. I think would look good. Definitely got a lot of plans for this car. Tell me what you guys think.